sticky orange maple smoked duck.
This recipe is great for people who say they don't like duck because this will change their mind. We're going to start off with a simple brine that's a combination of 1/3 of a cup of kosher salt, 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 1 bay leaf, and then enough water to cover the duck. We'll fully submerge the duck in the brine overnight, then in the morning we're going to thoroughly rinse it, then pat it dry using paper towels. Next, we're going to create our basting liquid that's a combination of 1/2 cup of orange juice, 1/2 cup of maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and a tablespoon of honey. We'll whisk until it's well combined, then brush on our first layer of the basting liquid all over the bird, including the inside. Then I'm ready to head over to my smoker. I've already preheated mine to 200 degrees. I'll place the duck directly on the smoker and apply the basting liquid every 15 to 20 minutes for the first hour and a half. It usually takes about 2 hours to finish smoking the bird to a desired temperature. This all depends on how big the bird is and how you like it cooked. If you like a crispy skin, you can bump up the temperature of the grill for the last couple minutes and just char it on all sides. Then let it rest before carving and you're ready to serve. I like to serve garnished with orange slices and fresh herbs. Check out the caption for more in-depth instructions and ingredients.